Have you guys been playing the Monopoly Go game and don't know how to change your photo on it? Then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change photo on the Monopoly Go game. So let's dive right in. First of all, open the Monopoly Go app, just like this. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto three lines at the top right corner, just right here. Now select it. After that, here you can find your profile, just right here. Now tap on it. Then to change your photos, choose from these photos just right here. Now scroll down and select the one that you like the most, just like this, and tap on to save. And now you can see you have added a photo. And that's it. This is how you can change your photo on the Monopoly Go game. It is a very easy and simple process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.